Thank you for all the goodness for giving us. Now we're happy. Unite the Lord in your hearts. Now I'll send this with a song of gratitude for you. Thank you very, very much. And we promise to give you the little that we can give. We promise your prayers will pray for you and your family. Now we're happy. Unite the Lord in your hearts. Now I send this with a song of gratitude for you. Thank you very, very much. And we thank you, we thank you, we thank you, we thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you po.
Kaya tapos na po ang movie, pwede na po tayong lumabas.
Yun naman eh. Anyways, maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa aming block screening. And anyways, thank you as well for accommodating us po sa Hospicio de San Jose. And ang kasama po namin ang buong pamilya namin dito para makilala rin kayo. Anyways, sana nag-enjoy po kayo hanggang sa susunod na pagsasama-sama natin. Yun lang po. Merry Christmas. And this is organized by Crispas actually. They're Crispy Bricks and Passionistas. So palakpakan po natin sila. So yung ang peg po nila si Pokwang din po dun sa pelikula. Yun lang po.
Kay Piolo po. Pokwang at Piolo. Tara na, sister. Pwede na po tayo mixin. Thank you very much. Thank you po sa pagpunta ninyo.
Patay si sister.